Welcome to World in 2 Minutes. These are your headlines.
So given the success, I've approved the deployment of up to 250 additional U.S. personnel in Syria, including special forces, to keep up this momentum.
U.S. President Barack Obama has confirmed plans to send up to 250 more military personnel to Syria. They will include special forces to help in the fight against Daesh. There are already 50 U.S. military personnel in non-combat roles there. The war in Syria is now 5 years old. The UN Special Envoy to Syria says the conflict has killed 400,000 people. It's also displaced 11 million others. An army general and his wife have been shot dead. No one has claimed responsibility, but many army officials have been targeted in the year since President Pierre Nkurunziza announced he would run for a third term. The Minister of Human Rights and his wife were also attacked on Sunday, but they survived. At least 400 people have died in the anti-government violence, and 250,000 people have fled. The UN has previously warned that the political violence in Burundi could turn into a civil war. An international commission into the disappearance of 43 students accuses the government of hindering its investigation. The Inter-American Commission on Human Rights also says the Mexican government didn't follow its advice. The commission has criticized the government's initial findings that a drug gang working with local authorities murdered the students and burned their bodies. People around the world are marking World Malaria Day. The World Health Organization established the event as a way to spread education and understanding of malaria. The theme this year is End Malaria for Good. Malaria is spread by mosquitoes. Its symptoms are fever, headache, chills, and vomiting, and can be fatal. More than 3 billion people in more than 100 countries are at risk, but just 15 countries account for more than 3/4 of the deaths. Most of them are in sub-Saharan Africa. There's no effective vaccine for malaria, though some are being tested. Thanks for watching. TRTworld.com, Istanbul.